Hello there, in this short video, I will show you how to download and install the Sling TV application to your Android TV without the Google Play Store app installed. This is very easy. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, what you have to do to install the application is to go over to your browser or your search engine. In me, I love using the Google search engine because it works best for me. You can use any other browser as long as your TV is an Android TV. This should work or this should give you a similar result. So go over here and type in Sling TV. So just type in Sling TV. I'm not going to take a lot of time because here's the application here. Sling TV app. And once you search, this is what you're going to get. So you see here the application Sling TV Live TV Plus free stream. So what you have to do, just click on this once, and you're going to get something like this. Now, unfortunately for me, I cannot install this application to my Android TV, not because this method is not working, but because the app is not available in my country. It says here that this item isn't available in my country, and that's why I cannot install the application. But if you watching this video live in a country where the application is available, let's say you are living in the US or in the UK, then the application should be available for you to install. So just follow the same method, and once you go over here, you're going to get the install button. And if you click install, the application is going to install straight away to your Android TV. Or you can try a third-party site, even though I wouldn't recommend that 100%, but they can always work sometimes, or they come in handy sometimes. But whatever the case, if you live in a country where the application is available, the first option should be okay for you.